ng Friday triple header. Here's Paul Desiderio for Mindoro. Desiderio, yes. Here's Carvin. Here's Desiderio against CJ Cancino. Paul Desiderio. Yes. Cancino with a rebound. Here comes CJ. Pass. To CJ. Katapusan finishing the break led by Cancino. Can't be careless when Andoy Estrella is there. Andoy, what a finish. Against two Iloilo play.
By Andoy Estrella.
Katapusan to Ongteco against Lester Reyes and J.R. Ongteco with a strong move inside.
Ng batang yun.
Teodoro gives it up to Estrella. Bono will fire three.
Ayan, hindi kailangan. Itong hindi kailangan ng jump shot. All touch lang to si Bono.
Back, Katapusan for three. No. Ongteco. And J.R. Ongteco with another three-point play opportunity. Ball for in Washong, Iloilo. And right. Here he is.
Agaw.
Mark Nonoy asking for a double dribble.
Muntik pa.
And ahead to CJ Cancino.
He's gonna shoot this.
CJ, yes sir.
But I tell you, you gotta stop CJ.
So Cancino caught in the switch here. Ken Bono forcing that way in.
He was anticipating that turnaround shot.
Nonoy not on the floor, pero nakakatuwa lang eh. Kasi I think fellow alumni yata itong si ano eh. CJ Cancino. Caspe able to recover the loose ball. Nice sidestep. And JJ Caspe again. Matched up against Ongteco. Nice pass. Lester Reyes. The finger roll is good.
What a tough shot that was. He passed up and open. You know, a layup. Basically at the semicircle.
Nice one, Gao.
Ito, hirap na tira niya. May bangga pa, oh. Ang layong layup niya.
Wala naman, hindi pa siya ng foul. Yes, sir.
He just knows how to play. More importantly, he knows how to score.
Papasio. Yes! Great execution there. Bono. Agaw. Heruta. Cancino. Yes! On the three, Ray De La Rosa with a rebound. Here's CJ Cancino. CJ. Umatake. CJ Cancino. Great move. Inside, he's got 13.
Able to go all the way for the layup.
Here's Teodoro. Caspe for three. Yes. And JJ Caspe.
Bono advantage speed.
Teodoro. Three is good. Tete Teodoro. And replicate his strong start. Iloilo right now. Nagahabol. Mark Nonoy gets the 2 points back. Tete. Lester Reyes will fire and hit.
Itong third quarter ang Mindoro, but a steal by Cancino.
And CJ gusto pa makakuha ng foul eh.
Decelerating after in full speed and to finish.
Caspe, too strong on the three. Ken Bono, 17 points. So
13-point swing.
And Mindoro has done this, made this run without fouling.
Right.
Desiderio all the way to the cup using the left hand. Been big. Nonoy, full head of steam. Mark Nonoy, drop pass to Katapusan for the hammer. To slam this one in. Still an 8-point lead for Mindoro, but what a play from Iloilo. Credo. Inside, Credo with a layup.
Just a beautiful shot fake by Credo. and just poor defense on the part of Mindoro. I believe that was Olivasa. Sayang na pagkakataon.
Maigan, 3-ball. Yes, sir. Bono on the right side. Bono backing down on Teko. Ken Bono with a left-handed hook.
Kilos. Itong si Ken Bono. Scanning the floor. 3 dribbles. Pound, pound, pound. Shot, shot, shot. Make.
13 rather. 10 for Mindoro. Here's Bono again.
Masahe.
And J.R. Onteco couldn't find him. Ilo, and again, they clear out that side of the floor para kay Ken Bono.
Again, Shiatsu or Swedish?
Oh! Ken Bono. That turnaround shot, Cancino.
He's gonna shoot this.
Lumapit si CJ Rangel. Nice pick right there.
Players in the MPBL, and with that screen by Rangel, tulad na sabi mo, it opens up the blue sea in that shaded.
You know what? Ibang klase. Ito si Ken Bono. Again, here he is against Rangel and Ken Bono. He's in the zone at the moment.
Ano ngayon 1 hour o 1.5? Yung masahe. Pero binawi kagad ni Nonoy. Pahaba ng pahaba yung masahe ni
fourth.
Oo, iba pag nakapagpahinga ka.
Oo. Nonoy, mid-range jumper is good. And Mindoro not out of the wood. Desiderio for 3. Yes, sir! And he is pumped up. Paul Desiderio and for Mindoro. Iloilo needs an answer. Nonoy, jumper is good. 14 points para kay Mark Nonoy.
The offensive rebound. Bumalik sa kanyang bola. What a block by Vigan.
Nonoy knocks down to 3. On the second opportunity. 3.5 minutes remaining. Steal by Hiruta. Cancino is ahead. He'll get the 2 points. 1 possession game. Desiderio against Hiruta. The turnaround shot. Wow. Yes, sir.
Talk about a
fatigue setting in on Mark Nonoy. Here's Desiderio. Nice fake. And Paul Desiderio. What a response.
It's been mostly in this quarter on Ken Bono, showing that these two, they're a formidable 1-2 punch.
Wants to go to Ken Bono. There's a double team. Estrella, ball fake. Estrella, the one-hander.
There's the double team. Sense of urgency, especially nung point na humahabol na itong Iloilo, 69-60.
And they'll take the turnover. At halftime. And then